Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do the training of how to clean WC area as per M Hotel standards. First section, we will clean the wash basin area. Our supervisor Muhammad Zulfaqar, he will start how to clean and how to discard all the garbage and to take out all the linen. Then he will start the cleaning. You can check the situation now before how it is. Show them in the clip. Okay, so you will start now. So, first of all, you will take the towel. You explain as well, huh?
Yeah. Can we remove?
Yes, you take all the garbage now from the wash basin.
After I set to like that.
Okay. Remove. Okay. Okay, so what you will do now as a first step?
First step in harpic in WC.
Okay, go for it.
Okay. Then put as chemical harpic in WC.
So you're putting this to clean and sanitize and kill all bacteria in the WCC.
Yeah.
And the chemical, how long it should stay there?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
For finish work.
So as you're finishing the entire work here, then you will return back to the WC and to clean it as a final step.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now this second step.
Second step. Wash basin and shower area. This is
The shower area.
two chemicals.
You put the spray on the surface.
To service.
Okay, start. This to clean and to give a good smell.
Yeah, good smell.
Okay. And you are sanitizing all the
Services.
Yeah. And this one can use with all wooden surface, metal surface, everything. Okay. Okay. Now you will start whipping and dusting all the surface. Wash basin and shower area. Okay, start. For cleaning the accessories, right?
Accessories.
Yeah. The tap,
Tab.
the dish of soap.
This tray.
Yeah, the magnifies mirror.
So,
This one you will also whip, right?
yeah.
You will clean this up,
Yeah.
right? So you whipping everywhere.
Yeah.
So now you are whipping and dusting the cabinet area. Yeah, the shower area. All parts, huh?
Yeah.
The hose. Good. You're starting with all the steel accessories.
Yeah, accessories.
This to clean and sanitize.
Yeah. furniture polisher.
This is for furniture
Furniture
polishing.
polisher, yeah.
Okay. So what you will do?
Just
Polishing what?
polishing wood,
The doors.
wood and doors.
The wooden doors and wooden
Wooden
surface.
surface.
Okay, start.